What's up, guys? How are you all? I hope you're super excited for the series where we are going to complete NCERT reading of class 11 and 12 biology as well as chemistry. Please do comment down below if you want me to do physics as well. As of now, our first target is class 11 biology. So, invite your friends, like, share, and subscribe. And now, let's not waste any more time and get started with the chapter. Class Chondrichthyes. They are marine animals with streamlined body and have cartilaginous endoskeleton. Figure 4.19. Mouth is located ventrally. Notochord is persistent throughout life. Gill slits are separate and without operculum. Gill cover. The skin is tough, containing minute placoid scales. Teeth are modified placoid scales which are backwardly directed. Their jaws are very powerful. These animals are predaceous. Due to the absence of air bladder, they have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. Heart is two-chambered, one auricle and one ventricle. Some of them have electric organs, example torpedo, and some possess poisonous sting, example trigon. They are cold-blooded, poikilothermous animals, that is, they lack the capacity to regulate their body temperature. Sexes are separate. In males, pelvic fins bear claspers. They have internal fertilization and many of them are viviparous. Examples: Collidin, dogfish; Christis, sawfish; Carcharodon, great white shark; and Trigon, stingray. Let us have a look at figure 4.19, where we have some examples of cartilaginous fishes: A. Scolidin and B. Pristis. Class Osteichthyes. It includes both marine and freshwater fishes with bony endoskeleton. Their body is streamlined. Mouth is mostly terminal. Figure 4.20. They have four pairs of gills which are covered by an operculum on either side. On each side. Skin is covered with cycloid or tenoid scales. Air bladder is present which regulates buoyancy. Heart is two-chambered, one auricle and one ventricle. They are cool-blooded animals. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is usually external. They are mostly oviparous and development is direct. Examples: marine, Exocetus, flying fish; hippocampus, seahorse; freshwater, labio, rohu; katla, katla; clarias, mugger; and finally aquarium, betta, fighting fish; and pterophyllum, angelfish. Let us also look at figure 4.20, where we have some examples of bony fishes: A. Hippocampus and B. Katla. Class Amphibia. As the name indicates, amphi means dual and bios means life. Amphibians can live in aquatic as well as terrestrial habitats. Figure 4.21. Most of them have two pairs of limbs. Body is divisible into head and trunk. Tail may be present in some. The amphibian skin is moist without scales. The eyes have eyelids. A tympanum represents the ear. Alimentary canal, urinary and reproductive tracts open into a common chamber called cloaca, which opens to the exterior. Respiration is by gills, lungs, and through skin. The heart is three-chambered, two auricles and one ventricle. These are cold-blooded animals. Sexes are separate, fertilization is external. They are oviparous and development is indirect. Examples: bufo, toad; rana, frog; hyla, tree frog; salamandra, salamander; ichthyophis, limbless amphibia. Let us have a look at figure 4.21, where we have some examples of amphibia: A. Salamandra and B. Rana. Class Reptilia. The class name refers to the creeping or crawling mode of locomotion. Latin: repere or reptim, to creep or crawl. They are mostly terrestrial animals and their body is covered by dry and conified skin, epidermal scales or scutes. Figure 4.22. They do not have external ear openings. Tympanum represents ear. Limbs when present are two pairs. Heart is usually three-chambered, but four-chambered in crocodiles. Reptiles are poikilotherms. Snakes and lizards shed their scales as skin cast. Sexes are separate, fertilization is internal. They are oviparous and development is direct. Examples: Kelone, turtle; Testudo, tortoise; Chameleon, tree lizard. Calotes, garden lizard. Crocodilus, crocodile. Alligator, alligator. Hemidactylus, wall lizard. Poisonous snakes, Naja, cobra. Bungaris, crate. Vipera, viper. Figure 4.22. Reptiles. A. Chameleon. B. Crocodilus. C. Kelone. And D. Naja. Class Aves. The characteristic feature of aves, birds, are the presence of feathers, and most of them can fly except flightless birds, example ostrich. They possess beak, figure 4.23. The forelimbs are modified into wings. The hind limbs generally have scales and are modified for walking, swimming, or clasping the three branches. Skin is dry without glands except the oil gland at the base of the tail. Endoskeleton is fully ossified, bony, and the long bones are hollow with air cavities, pneumatic. The digestive tract of birds has additional chambers, the crop and gizzard. Heart is completely four-chambered. They are warm-blooded, homeothermous animals. That is, they are able to maintain a constant body temperature. Respiration is by lungs. Air sacs connected to lungs supplement respiration. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. They are oviparous and development is direct. Figure 4.23. Some birds. A. Neophrin. B. Struthio. C. Citicula. D. Pavo. Examples: Corvus, crow; Columba, pigeon; Citicula, parrot; Struthio, ostrich; Pavo, peacock; Aptenodytes, penguin; Neophrin, vulture. Class Mammalia. They are found in a variety of habitats: polar ice caps, deserts, mountains, forests, grasslands, and dark caves. Some of them have adapted to fly or live in water. The most unique mammalian characteristic is the presence of milk producing glands, mammary glands, by which the young ones are nourished. They have two pairs of limbs adapted for walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming, or flying. Figure 4.24. The skin of mammals is unique in possessing hair. External ears or pinnae are present. Different types of teeth are present in the jaw. The heart is four-chambered. They are homeothermous. Respiration is by lungs. Sexes are separate and fertilization is internal. They are viviparous with few exceptions and development is direct. Figure 4.24. Some mammals: A. Ornithorhynchus, B. Macropus, C. Pteropus, and D. Bel- Balaenoptera. Examples: Oviparous, Ornithorhynchus, Platypus; Viviparous, Macropus, kangaroo; Pteropus, flying fox; Camelus, camel; Macaca, monkey; Rattus, rat; Canis, dog; Felis, cat; Elephas, elephant. Equus, horse; Delphinus, common dolphin; Balaenoptera, blue whale; Panthera tigris, tiger; Panthera leo, lion. The salient distinguishing features of all phyla under Animal Kingdom is comprehensively given in the Table 4.2. Table 4.2. Salient features of different phyla in the Animal Kingdom. Phylum Porifera. Level of organization cellular. Symmetry various. Coelom absent. Segmentation absent. Digestive system absent. Circulatory system absent. Respiratory system absent. Distinctive features: body with pores and canals and walls. Phylum Coelenterata or Cnidaria. Level of organization: tissue. Symmetry radial. Coelom absent. Segmentation absent. The digestive system incomplete. Circulatory system absent. Respiratory system absent. Distinctive features: cnidoblasts are present. Phylum Ctenophora. Level of organization: tissue. Symmetry radial. Coelom absent. Segmentation absent. Digestive system incomplete. Circulatory and respiratory system are absent. Distinctive features: comb plates for locomotion. Phylum Platyhelminthes. Level of organization: organ and organ system. Symmetry bilateral. Coelom absent. Segmentation absent. Digestive system incomplete. Circulatory system and respiratory system are absent. Distinctive features: flat body, suckers. Phylum Aeschyhelminthes, level of organization, organ system, symmetry, bilateral. Coelom Pseudocoelomates, segmentation absent. This digestive system complete. Circulatory system and respiratory system are absent, and distinctive features often worm shaped, elongated. Phylum Annelida, level of organization, organ system, symmetry, bilateral. Coelom, coelomate, segmentation present. Digestive system complete. Circulatory system is present, but respiratory system is absent. Distinctive features: body segmentation like rings. Phylum Arthropoda, level of organization, organ system, symmetry, bilateral. Coelom, coelomate, segmentation present. Digestive system complete. Circulatory system and respiratory system are present. Distinctive features: exoskeleton of cuticle, jointed appendage. Phylum Mollusca, level of organization, organ system, symmetry, bilateral. Coelom, coelomate, segmentation absent. Digestive system complete. Circulatory system and respiratory system are present. Distinctive features: external skeleton of shell usually present. Phylum Echinodermata, level of organization, organ system, symmetry, radial. Coelom, coelomate, segmentation absent. Digestive system complete. Circulatory system and respiratory system are present. Distinctive features: water-vascular system, radial symmetry. Phylum Hemichordata, level of organization, organ system, symmetry, bilateral. Coelom, coelomate, segmentation absent. Digestive system complete. Circulatory system and respiratory system are present. Distinctive features: worm-like with proboscis, cola, and trunk. Phylum Chordata, level of organization, organ system, symmetry, bilateral. Coelom, coelomate, segmentation present. Digestive system complete. Circulatory system and respiratory system are present. Distinctive features: notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord, gill slits with limbs or fins. Summary: the basic fundamental features such as level of organization, symmetry, cell organization, coelom, segmentation, notochord, etc., have enabled us to broadly classify the animal kingdom. Besides the fundamental features, there are many other distinctive characters which are specific for each phyla or class. Porifera includes multicellular animals which exhibit cellular level of organization and have characteristic flagellated coenocytes. The coelant rates have tentacles and bear cnidoblasts. They are mostly aquatic, sessile or free-floating. The ctenophores are marine animals with comb plates. The platyhelminth has a flat body and exhibit bilateral symmetry. The parasitic forms show distinct suckers and hooks. Aeschyhelminthes are pseudocoelomates and include parasitic as well as non-parasitic roundworms. Annelids are metamerically segmented animals with a true coelom. The arthropods are the most abundant group of animals characterized by the presence of jointed appendages. The mollusks have a soft body surrounded by an external calcareous shell. The body is covered with external skeleton made of chitin. The echinoderms possess a spiny skin. Their most distinctive feature is the presence of water-vascular system. The hemichordates are a small group of worm-like marine animals. They have a cylindrical body with proboscis, cola, and trunk. Phylum Chordate. Phylum Chordata includes animals which possess a notochord, either throughout or during early embryonic life. Other common features observed in the chordates are the dorsal hollow nerve cord and paired pharyngeal gill slits. Some of the vertebrates do not possess jaws, agnatha, whereas most of them possess jaws, gonadostomata. Agnatha is represented by the class Cyclostomata. They are the most primitive chordates and are ectoparasites on fishes. Gonadostomata has two superclasses, Pisces and Tetrapoda. Classes Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes bear fins for locomotion and are grouped under Pisces. The Chondrichthyes are fishes with cartilaginous endoskeleton and are marine. Classes Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia have two pairs of limbs and are thus grouped under Tetrapoda. The amphibians have adapted to live both on land and water. Reptiles are characterized by the presence of dry and cornified skin. Limbs are absent in snakes. Fishes, amphibians, and reptiles are poikilothermous, cold-blooded. Aves are warm-blooded animals with feathers on their bodies and forelimbs modified into wings for flying. Hind limbs are adapted for walking, swimming, perching, or clasping. The unique features of mammals are the presence of mammary glands and hair on the skin. They commonly exhibit viviparity. Awesome guys, so this marks the end of the chapter. I hope you liked the video. Please share your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's meet next Sunday to continue the series with a new chapter. Bye.